Hey there, it's Chris, and welcome to Music Master, an academy for all who seek to learn the music. Our goal here is to make you enjoy music more than you already do and make you feel like a part of the world of music, like you belong in it. And to help you achieve your music goal, we are offering piano, guitar, and music production programs with experts in the fields to fit your needs. We're gonna be teaching you everything from basic techniques like chord progressions, scales, DAWs, and how they work, to more advanced techniques like composing, picking a song by ear, remixing, doing mashups, and more. Here at Music Masters Piano section, we are gonna be teaching you everything from basic techniques like chords, chord progressions, scales, to make the piano your playground, to more advanced techniques like composing, picking a song by ear, remixes, mashups, and more. All you gotta do is book a completely free lesson, no hidden costs and no credit cards required, by clicking the button below on our website, or the link down below on YouTube, or the link in our bio on Instagram or TikTok. We cannot wait for you to join our growing family. You're amazing, stay safe, see you soon.